Peppy. Thank you for your questions. Martin is going to answer the first of them, which is, what are the drifters made from?
So drifters are here, and we have a small drifter and a big drifter. The small drifter is made of a lamp, essentially, like the Aladdin lamp, but it has a GPS inside here and batteries. You can see the batteries, but are there. So this is yellow because it is easier to spot the drifters, and the GPS allows you to know where it is. The big drifter is bigger because it brings more things. It has not only GPS but also some electronics to bring to collect temperature and conductivity from the bottom of the sea. And your question was about of what are they made of. So I already answered for that one. That was a lamp, and it has a PVC tube inside. This one instead is made of polyurethane and is recovered with fiberglass. So the second question was what scales are you investigating with the drifters, and that will be Candela answering.
So essentially we're trying to investigate the small scales with our drifters, and the idea is to measure vertical transports, which is really difficult to do it like directly. So we want to, with all the drifters, when they're separating together from apart, they can give us an estimation of how the vertical transport is. So when the drifters are moving, that's information useful for us for the calculations, and essentially is small scale transport because the vertical velocities are always smaller than the horizontal ones.
Finally, the last question was about how we spot them. And well, yes, that isn't easy at all, but the GPS helped us because it is a satellite GPS, and so you can see the position of the drifters from a computer, and we tell the position to a captain in the ship, and so we get close to the ship. However, when we get closer, it wasn't that easy to get them, right, Candela?
No, Martin, it wasn't that easy. For the recovery, once we got closer to the drifters, there was a guy with a very long stick and a rope in the tip. And for get them, it was like a lassoing thing where we involved the drifter and bring it apart closer to us. And that was essentially the way of recovering them, because there was no other way. It was really difficult to recover them. But it worked really well because all of them came back, 23 out of 23. And only one of them lost his stroke, and 4 came broken, but it's not important that. So yeah, it went really well, right?
Thank you for your questions.
Thank you for your questions.